Hi, today we're at 1155 West 29th Street. Nice, cute neighborhood. Next door neighbors look nice. Well-kept yards. Okay, got a front porch here, screen punch porch. You don't see that a lot. Right, this is a nice big bedroom, or living room, living room. The bedrooms are big too, so that got me confused there. But you got a lot of room here, big screen TV. You go in the corner, a lot of different ways against that wall there. Okay, kitchen. Nice, nice, nice. Out the back door. Nice fenced backyard. Cute. Yeah, really nice. Alright, let's go check out the bedrooms. Okay. This one's got the closest to the bathroom here. Alright. This is a pretty big sized bedroom actually. It's a little deceiving when you come in, but there's this nook here that makes it, enlarges it and gives it a bigger feel. Nice closet. And you got a little rail here to set stuff up on. That's nice. Down this way. Okay, master bedroom. But oh, look, see, they did the same thing here. This makes it feel like a lot bigger room. Nice floors, closet. Okay, bedroom, bath. You got a closet in here. Oh, okay, this is a stack. It has a stackable washer and dryer unit. That's available for an extra charge to have the units in. Okay, really nice. That's the 1155 West 29th Street. Okay, until next time.